Hi, my name's Lynette Campbell, and I'm going to be demonstrating some of your vital signs. The first one I'm going to start with is measuring the radial pulse. That is skill 21-3 in your book, and it's really very simple. If you should make a note that if the radial pulse is irregular, you will want to also do your apical pulse a full 1 minute. Now for the radial pulse, you can be allowed to count for 30 seconds and then double that number, okay? So you would watch your watch for 30 seconds, and then if you just say you had 24, and you counted 24 for 30 seconds, then you would double that number and make it 48, and that would be your radial pulse, which would be low, by the way. All right, so I'm just giving that for an example. So I'm just going to show you that the skill shows you want the patient's palm hand down, and obviously if I feel a pulse on him, we're all leaving, okay? But I'm showing you that it tells you to put the palm down, and you're going to take with the pads of these two fingers. You don't want your thumb involved because you'll feel your own heartbeat. And you are going to reach just inside the wrist. Just inside the wrist, there's like an indention, okay? And it's going to be even with the thumb, and it's going to be right in here. I can show you on myself. It's going to be about right in here on this indention, right in here. You see when I push down, I can feel my own pulse, okay? And on him, what you're going to do is while his hand's down, you're going to reach in here. You're going to find the pulse. And so you found it, and then you're going to look on your watch. And you don't count the first one. You count the second one because you want a full pulsation, all right, a full cycle. So I'm going to look on my watch, and I'm going to count for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we're going to say that I felt 30, okay? So I counted for 30 seconds, and I counted 30 pulsations on my fingers, and so that would mean that his radial pulse is 60. So his heart rate should be 60, because it's based on the pulse, okay? And then that's it. That's it for your radial pulse, okay? Like I said, that is skill 21-3, and like I said, that is your radial pulse. Now I'm going to look right here. Like I said, you do not count the first one, you count the second one. The second one when you start your counting. And if the pulse happens to be hard to feel, lighten up a little bit on your touch, okay? Just sit there and find a perfect spot, and then you'll find it. And it runs, it's called the radial pulse because it runs with the radius bone, okay? And it's always going to be your thumb side, and it's right under here. You can feel it. Most people can already find that. So that is how you find your radial pulse. Thank you.